Are you tired of traditional banking fees eating into your profits? Do you find international transfers a nightmare of hidden costs and slow processing times? If you're a business owner operating globally, you've likely asked yourself these questions. And perhaps, like many others, you've started looking for an alternative. An alternative like Airwallex. But is Airwallex a good bank? Or more accurately, is Airwallex a good financial platform for your business needs? Because, to clarify from the outset, Airwallex isn't a licensed bank in the traditional sense. It's a global financial technology company that offers a suite of services designed to help businesses operate across borders more efficiently. Think of it as a powerful financial operating system built for the modern global economy. So, let's unpack what Airwallex brings to the table and whether it truly lives up to the hype for businesses big and small. One of Airwallex's biggest draws is its multi-currency accounts. This is a game changer for businesses dealing with international clients or suppliers. Instead of constantly converting currencies at unfavorable rates, you can hold, send, and receive funds in over 40 currencies. Imagine receiving payment from a client in euros and paying a supplier in USD, all within the same platform, without losing a chunk to conversion fees. This not only saves money but also provides a clearer picture of your cash flow in different markets. Then there's the international payments aspect. Traditional banks can be notoriously slow and expensive for cross-border transactions. Airwallex, on the other hand, boasts faster, more transparent, and often cheaper international transfers. They leverage their global payment network to cut down on intermediary bank fees and accelerate processing times. For businesses that rely on timely international payments, this can be a significant competitive advantage. We're talking about payments that often settle within hours or a day, not days or even weeks. Beyond just holding and moving money, Airwallex also offers virtual cards. These are incredibly useful for managing online subscriptions, employee expenses, and even marketing spend in different currencies. You can issue multiple cards, set spending limits, and track transactions in real time, giving you greater control and visibility over your business outgoings. This level of granular control is something many traditional banks struggle to offer. Now, let's talk about integration. Airwallex understands that businesses use a variety of tools. They offer robust API integrations that allow you to connect their platform with your existing accounting software, e-commerce platforms, and other business systems. This streamlines your financial operations, automates reconciliation, and reduces manual errors, freeing up valuable time that you can dedicate to growing your business. Of course, no financial platform is perfect. While Airwallex offers a fantastic array of services, it's essential to consider your specific business needs. If you primarily operate within a single country and rarely deal with international transactions, some of its advanced features might be overkill. Also, while their customer support is generally well regarded, like any rapidly growing tech company, there can be occasional hiccups. However, for businesses with an international footprint or those looking to expand globally, Airwallex presents a compelling solution. It's not just about saving money on fees, it's about gaining efficiency, control, and clarity in your global financial operations. It empowers you to transact across borders with the ease and speed of local payments. So, is Airwallex a good financial platform for your business? If you're looking for a modern, efficient, and cost-effective way to manage your international finances, then the answer is a resounding yes. It's designed for the realities of today's interconnected global marketplace, offering a powerful alternative to the often outdated systems of traditional banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.